Hi guys, we're going to be talking about rotations today. This is problem solving 1 in your student activity. You can find that at in the attachments for your Google Classroom assignment for today. First of all, we're going to take this pre-image A, the point -4, 3, and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Well, that rule is to change the XY coordinate to Y, -x. So we're just going to take -4, 3, and we're going to move the Y coordinate to now become the X coordinate, and then change the X coordinate to its opposite. So now our X coordinate will be 4. Now if you rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, then your rule changes to -y, x. So now we'll change the 3, which is our Y coordinate, to its opposite, -3, and leave the X coordinate as -4. So our new point now would be -3, -4. Okay, let's do the next one. The pre-image is the point 2, -5. We're going to do the same 2 rotations, 90 degrees clockwise. We'll refer back to this rule. That would be Y, -x. So we put our Y coordinate first, and then our X coordinate now in the Y position. And it is the opposite, so that will be, oops, go away. That will be -2 also in that position. Okay, counterclockwise is this rule where we change our Y coordinate to its opposite. Well, it's -5 in our pre-image, so in our image it will be the opposite, which is 5. And then our X coordinate stays the same. We don't change it to its opposite, so our new point is 5, 2. Now these rules can get complicated, but for today on this problem-solving page, we are only dealing with a 90-degree, either clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. All right, let's look at problem 2. We're going to be rotating again 90 degrees clockwise. That's this rule right here, Y, -x. So our Y becomes our first coordinate, 5. And our X coordinate becomes the Y coordinate, and we change it to its opposite. So now our new point is 5, -4. For counterclockwise, we use this rule right here, -y, x. Well, this is the point that has been changed. It is the image, so we have to do the opposite of that, -yx. And so our point becomes, or our image was previously, -7, -5. Okay, let's take a look at that again. Our counterclockwise rule is -yx. So we had to take, this was our -y, so we changed it to its opposite to get its pre-image, which is now -5. And then our X coordinate is the same, it's just in a different position, so the -7 does not change signs. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. We have to decide what happened to it. The point was 3, -2. It changed to -2, -3. So we can see that our X coordinate now is our Y coordinate, and it's the opposite. Our Y coordinate stayed the same. And so, hopefully you've guessed by now, that is the clockwise direction. That says clockwise, even though it doesn't look like it. Okay, in the next one, we have -5, -10. As you can see, our Y coordinate became our X coordinate and didn't change signs. Our X coordinate became our Y coordinate and did change signs. And so once again, that's this rule right here, which is the clockwise direction. I'm just going to put a ditto mark because it's so hard to write with this stylus. Okay, let's look at the last one. This point has been moved in a clockwise 90 degrees rotation. So that means to get to its image, we had to use this rule right here, Y, -x. So our Y coordinate does not change to its opposite. Our y-coordinate is the 0, so it stays 0. Our x-coordinate became our y-coordinate, as you can see right here. You take the opposite of it, so -3, when you find the opposite, is 3. Okay, let's look at it from the pre-image to the image. The pre-image is 3, 0. We change it according to the rule y, -x, so 0 stayed the same. And then -x, we put -3 as our y-coordinate. Okay, now all of these were rotating with 90 degrees. You can take a look at your notes from the video that you took or from the notes that I've attached to your Google Classroom to find the rules for the other rotations. Such as if you are rotating something 180 degrees, then both the x and the y change to its opposite. They do not change positions in the coordinate. No, stop that. Let me see if I can get that to come back down. Okay. Oops, now it totally disappeared. Okay, anyway, if it's a negative, if it is a 180 degrees, we're just going to stop there. And we will talk about that one later.